Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Delhi Machine Tool Expo and I am sitting with my friend Tushar and we are here in Sharp Edge stall. So Tushar, why don't you tell us who is Sharp Edge?
Hi, we are here at the Delhi Machine Tool Show with Sharpedge. Sharpedge has done shows in Delhi before as well, showing Ecotile. They're very good and in the NCR area, uh, you know, getting out and finding out solutions which are unique and are really solving people's problems. So we're very happy that we are here with Sharpedge, supporting us in this area and solving problems for the people.
Amazing. So we can see, wonderful, colors of Ecotile. They are in multicolors, right? And also I was, curious to know, you have shown a lot of signage on the floor. How important is signage in terms of, shop floor and from overall safety point of view of the plants?
Sure. So EcoTile, has always been made in multiple colors, and how our tiles are made through and through with the same color. We have added even more colors to the kit now. You have a new bright orange over here, and some signage, extra signage on this floor right now. The signage, gives you an idea how you can add more order into your factory. When a factory is in order, automatically you get more efficiency, and more
Definitely.
efficiency means more revenue. So this is a quick preview, this stall being a quick tiny preview of how EcoTile can be leveraged to create a very attractive floor.
Definitely, it not only looks beautiful, but also it creates discipline
Yeah.
in the shop floor, right? People know with the color coding and the signage that they have to, follow these rules, right?
Yes.
So this is very, very important.
Right.
And I think no other shop floor solution is providing this kind of, feature. So this is beautiful. And can you please tell me about this ramp section? This looks really interesting to me. Very well
Yes.
engineered.
So we have, recently re-engineered our RAM section. Our RAM section has, new ridges on the front of it, allowing any vehicles to easily grip and climb onto the floor. Wherever you are having Ecotile floor as a small patch area and the floor changes constantly, RAM sections with the new engineering provide a very easy grip up and down the floor, creating a very smooth demarcation of entry of the floor. The workers automatically notice this and work accordingly. So a very beautiful addition to the EcoTile floor. Make sure when you buy our tiles also add these ramp sections onto your kit.
Definitely, I think it's very good for the trolley movement or forklifts
Yes.
can move easily. For material movement, it's really really beneficial, right? Plus, do you
Right.
have some other line marking tiles as well, right? For
Yes.
the end corners of the tile.
Yes, indeed. That's a very popular new addition to the range as well. People can have a very thin 100 wide line marking and put yellow lines across the shop floors to create a very beautiful demarcation within the EcoTile floor, which
It's
will
good
never rub
to
away.
it's good to know that you are innovating continuously,
Indeed, yes.
evolving your products as per the customer new requirements and all.
Yes, with new accessories, new colors, having different ways of painting your floor, putting stickers or inset logos, you can customize it to your heart's content.
Fantastic. I think in near future, I think nobody will even think about epoxy coating and other solutions. Everybody will go for EcoTile.
You know it. Yes.
Thank you, Tushar. It
Great.
was again nice meeting you.
Thanks,
Thanks a
Ashutosh.
lot.